talented songbird, the voice of whom you've probably never heard. Na 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 na.
Above God and kings, I'm 6 years old. This world, my mind is mine to mold. Faithful friends bring chocolate gold, but cardboard castles quickly fold.
Not everyone is meant to stay, so I take my shoes off, fly away. This is the tune of a foolhardy songbird, the voice of whom you've probably never heard. Na 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 na.
A decade later, Agni scored. Why is life so goddamn hood? Long for a girl to hold my hand, someone to care, to understand. Once a king, now overthrown, I sing perched on this roof alone.
Though they turn more red, ran out of tears, use blood instead. These thoughts fall like thick black oil, stain all joy and make it spoil.
When I open my mouth, it gushes out. A wordless shout is heard aloud. Panic birds will fly away. I hope to join their flight one day.
Yes, I hope to join.